Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss two lessons. The first lesson, reproduction in animals. Asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction in animals. Reproduction. Individual organisms do not live forever. Therefore, the continuity of a species relies on individual reproducing. There are two types of reproduction, asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Another one chapter, reaching the age of adolescence. See, the baby, childhood, adolescence, adult, all. Adolescence and puberty. Adolescence is the period of life between 11 years and 19 years when the body undergoes changes leading to reproductive maturity is called adolescence. Between the age of 11 years and 19 years, children are called adolescent. During this period, adolescents are called teenagers. Puberty. During the adolescence, the body undergoes several changes and become capable of reproduction. These changes are called beginning of puberty. Reproduction in animals. Reproduction. Reproduction is the process by which living organism produce more living organism of its own kind. Mode of reproduction. There are two main types of reproduction in living organisms. Asexual, the process of reproduction in which new individuals are produced from a single parent. Example, microorganisms. Asexual reproduction is found in the single-celled organism such as archaebacteria, eubacteria, etc. Many plants and fungi reproduce asexually as well as sexual reproduction. The process of reproduction in which two individuals are involved to produce a new individual. Example, human tiger. Sexual reproduction in animals, males and females have different reproductive parts or organisms. The reproductive part in animals produce gamete that fuse to form a zygote. It is a zygote which develops into the new individual. This type of reproduction being from the fusion of male and female gametes is called sexual reproduction. Reproductive organs in human being. Male reproductive organs, a pair of testes, two sperm ducts and a penis. These are the male reproductive organs. The testes produce the male gametes called sperm. Millions of male gametes are produced by the testes. Through sperms are very small in size. Each has a head, a middle piece and a tail. Sperm is a single cell with all the usual cell components. See the male reproductive system, sperm ducts, semen vesicle, rectum, prostate glands, Cooper glands, epididymis, scrotum, testes, penis, urethra, urinary bladders. See the structure of sperm, the head, middle piece, tail. Female reproductive organs. A pair of ovaries, oviducts, and the uterus. These are the female reproductive organs. Ovary produce female gametes called ova, eggs. In human being, a single matured egg is released by one of the ovaries into the oviduct every month. Urethra is the part where development of the baby takes place. An egg is also a single cell. See the female reproductive organ in human being, ovary, endometrium, cervix, vagina, vulva, uterus, fallopian tube, the human womb, central person for the nucleus. Fertilization. The process of fertilization is fusion of a male gamete with a female gamete is called fertilization. Zygote is formed after fertilization. See the fertilization, the womb is there, the sperm penetrates into the egg, formation of zygote, fusion of nuclei. Types of fertilization. There are two types of fertilization in animals, external fertilization and internal fertilization. External fertilization, when fertilization takes place inside the animal body, it is called internal fertilization. Internal fertilization occur in many animals, including humans, cow, dogs, and hens. External fertilization. In this type of fertilization, the fusion of male and female gamete take place outside the body of the animals. Body is called external fertilization. It is very common in aquatic animals such as fish, starfish, etc. Example, during spring or rainy season, frog and toad move the ponds and rivers. When the male and female come together in the water, the female lays the egg, the male deposits sperm over them. Each sperm swims randomly in water with the help of its long tail. The sperm that come in contact with the eggs. See, egg of frog. Development of embryo. Development of embryo takes place in the female reproductive system through following steps. Every month, a single egg comes out of the ovary and reaches the fallopian tube of female reproductive system. During copulation, sperm reach the fallopian tube where a sperm fertilizes the egg. This results in the formation of zygote. See the zygote formation, urethra, the ovary producing for egg, ovulation, and zygote is formed. The zygote divides rapidly to give rise to a ball of cell. The cell that being to form groups that develop into different tissue and organ of the body. This developing structure is termed an embryo. See the ball of cell enlarged. The embryo gets implanted in the wall of uterus for further gradually develop the body part such as hands, legs, head, eye and ears, etc. The stage of the embryo in which all the body part can be identified is called a fetus. When the development of the fetus is complete, the mother gives birth to the baby. See the fetus in the urethra. Formation of egg shell in hens. Internal fertilization takes place in hens. After fertilization, the zygote divides continuously and moves to the oviduct. As it travels down, many protective layers are formed around it. The hard shell in a hen's egg is one such protective layer. After the hard shell is formed, the hen finally lays the egg. The embryo takes about 3 weeks to develop into the chick. The hen sits on the egg to provide sufficient warmth. After the chick is completely developed, it bows to open the eggshell. Viviparous or oviparous animals. The animals which give birth to young ones are called viviparous animals. Example, human being, dog, cow. Those animals which lay eggs are called oviparous animal. Example, hen, frog, etc. IVF, in vitro fertilization, a biological process carried out in laboratory is called in vitro. Thus, fertilization carried out in laboratory is called in vitro fertilization. Someone are unable to bear babies because of oviduct or block. In result, sperm cannot reach the egg for fertilization. Doctors collect freshly released egg and sperm and keep them together for a few hours for IVF or in vitro fertilization. If fertilization occurs, the zygote is allowed to develop for about a week and then it is transferred in the mother uterus. Whole development takes place in the uterus and the baby is born like any other baby. Babies born through its technique are called test tube babies. Young ones to adults. Direct development. When the young one of animals resemble the adult, then direct development take place. Example, hen, man, monkey, etc. See the life cycle of hen. The adult one lay the eggs. After 3 weeks, form the chick. About 3 months, form in adult. Indirect development. When the young ones of an animal do not resemble the adult, then indirect development take place. Example, frog, butterfly, silk moth. See the life cycle of frog. Adult frog lay the eggs, yearly tadpole, and lay tadpole once again return back to adult frog. Metamorphosis. In case of indirect development, transformation of young ones into adult through drastic changes is called metamorphosis. Larvae of butterfly undergo metamorphosis to become a butterfly. A tadpole undergoes metamorphosis to become a frog. See the life cycle of butterfly. The adult butterfly lay the eggs on mulberry leaves. The eggs is released, formation of caterpillar. The caterpillar followed by chrysalis or pupa and released from adult one. Asexual reproduction method. The process of reproduction in which new individuals are produced from a single parent, example microorganism. Fission. It is a type of asexual reproduction in which a single cell organism divided into two. Division of nucleus is followed by division of other cell organelles in the cytoplasm and finally the cytoplasm. Thus, two cells are produced from one parent cell. Example, amoeba. Amoeba reproduce by binary fission, which is dividing two cells. Budding. The reproduction methods is seen in those multicellular animals which are highly simple in structure. A small bud or blue develops on the body. After developing the bud, it gets detached from the parent body to being live as a new individual. Since new individual develop from the buds, this type of asexual reproduction is called budding. Example, hydra and sporans. See the hydra. Binary fission. This method of reproduction seen in unicellular organism. Example amoeba. In this method, an organism divides and forms two daughter cells. First, the nucleus divide and form two daughter nuclei. Then the cytoplasm in the mother cell divides into the daughter cell. This leads to the formation of two daughter cells, each having a nucleus and its own cell organelles, which then develop into the fully formed adult. Example Paramecium and Leishmania. If other parent cell gives rise to many daughter cells, this type of fission is called as multiple fission. See, the parent hydra is developing from birds and formation of new birds and new hydra. Cell division. Reproduction essentially involved in cell division. Without cell division, life will not propagate. There are two types of reproductive progress involve two different types of cell division. Cell division is the process in which a parent cell divides into two or more daughter cells. Cell division provides more cells for growth, regeneration, repair and damage control, gamete formation. There are two types of cell division. One is mitosis, another is called meiosis. Mitosis. Mitosis is a process where a single cell divides into two identical daughter cells. DNA replication occurs once followed by a single division. The number of chromosomes is maintained in this type of division. This type of division happens in asexual reproduction. It is also used for growth, repair and regeneration of tissues. See the interphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase, finally getting for two daughter cells. Meiosis. It is a cell division in which a single cell divides into four haploid cells. DNA replication occurs once followed by two division. The number of chromosomes are held in meiosis. Meiosis takes place in sex organ to produce haploid gametes. Thus, the gametes have only half the number of chromosomes in them. Interphase. Homologous chromosome is exchanging from heterologous chromosome. Daughter's nucleus formed by meiosis II. Binary fission of amoeba, the parental cell, the nuclear division and cytoplasmic division, two daughter nucleus. See the cloning. Cloning is process of production of an exact copy of cell and other living part or a complete organism. Cloning process of an animal was successfully performed for the first time by Langmuir and his colleagues at the Rosalind Institute of Edinburgh, Scotland. They cloned successfully a sheep named Dolly. See Finn, Dorset, Scottish Blackface, Eve, Dolly. During the process of cloning sheep named Dolly, a cell was collected from the mammary gland of a female. 5 Dorset sheep. Simultaneously, an egg was collected from the Scottish Blackface Eve. The nucleus was removed from the egg. After the nucleus of the mammary gland cell from the fine Dorset sheep was inserted into the egg of the Scottish Blackface Eve, whose nucleus had been removed. Then this egg was implanted into the Scottish Blackface Eve. Development of this egg followed normally, and then finally Dolly was born. It was found to be absolutely identical to the fine Dorset sheep from which the nucleus was taken. Now we are taking next chapter for discuss age of adolescence. Facts that matter. Adolescence, the period of life when the body undergoes changes leading to reproductive maturity, is known as adolescence. Generally, adolescents being at the age of 11 and last up to 18 or 19 years of age. Adolescents are also called teenagers because they cover the period of the uh, teens, 13 to 18 or 19 years of age. Puberty, the period of adolescence during which an adolescent reaches sexually maturity and becomes able to have children. Changes at puberty. During puberty, sudden increasing in height take place. This happens due to elongation of long bones of legs and arms that make a person tall. Girls grow faster than boys by about 18 years of age. Both reach their maximum height. The rate of growth is height vary in different individuals. Height of an individual, male or female, depend on the genes inheritance from parents. However, right kind of food during the growing years is also essential. Calculation of full height in centimeter. The average rate of growth in the height of boys and girls with the age given in the chart help in the calculating full height of the individuals. Changes at puberty. Increasing in height, change in body shape, voice change, increased activity of sweet and sebaceous gland, development of sex organs, reaching mental, intellectual and emotional maturity. See, the average rate of growth, average age in years, percentage of for height, age 8, 72% in boys, 77% in girls, 9, 75 in boys, 81 in girl, 10, 78 in boy, 84 in girl, 11, 81 in boy, 88 in girl, 12, 84 in boy, 91 in girl, 13, 88 in boy, 95 in girl, 14, 92 boy, 98 girl, 15, 95 boy, 99 girl, 16, 98 boy, 99.5 in girl, 17, 99% of boy, 100% of girl, 18, 100% of boy, 100% of girl. See, calculation of full height. Present height divided by percentage of full height at this age into 100. Example, a boy is 9 years old and 120 centimeter tall at the end of the growth period. He is likely to be 120 divided by 75 into 100 is equal to 160 centimeter tall. See, by the age of 11, a boy has reached 81% of his age, while a girl has reached 98% of full height. Draw a graph. See, the boy indicated a red line, the girl indicated a blue line. Change in body shape. Boys, the shoulder became broader and then chest became wider. The muscles of the body grow prominently. Girls, the region below the waist become wider. The muscles of the body do not grow prominently. Voice change. A property of voice box are the larynx being to grow. Boys develop larger voice boxes. Boys have a deep and hoarse voice. The larynx is visible clearly. Girls, the larynx is hard visible from the outside. Girls have a high pitched voice. Adam's apple. The growing voice box can be seen as the protruding part of the throat called Adam's apple. See the Adam's apple. Increased activities of sweat and sebaceous gland. The secretion of sweat glands and sebaceous glands, oil glands increase. Many young people get acne and pimples on their face at this time because of the increased activity of this gland in the skin. Glands, sweat and sebaceous glands. The glands release their secretion through ducts. Endocrine glands. These glands release hormones directly into the bloodstream. So they are also termed ductless glands. Reaching. Mental maturity. It is the time in one's life when the brain has the greatest capacity for learning. Intellectual maturity, the change in the person's way of thinking. The person feels more independent than before and also becomes self-conscious. Emotional maturity, a person may feel insecure while trying to adjust to the changes in the body and mind. Hormones. The changes which occur at adolescence are controlled by chemical substance called hormones. Hormones are secreted from the endocrine glands. Boys, the testes being to release male hormone or testosterone. This causes hair growth. Girls, the ovarian being to produce female hormone or estrogen, which make the breast develop. Milk secreting glands or mammary glands develop inside the breast. The production of these hormones is under the control of another hormone in endocrine gland called pituitary gland. A role of hormones in initiating a reproductive function. There are many endocrine glands or ductless glands in the body. The testes and ovaries secrete sex hormones. The sex hormones are under the control of hormones for the pituitary gland. The pituitary gland secrete many hormones, one of which make ova, mature the ovaries and sperms from in the testes. The onset of puberty is controlled by hormones. Hormones from pituitary stimulate testes and ovaries to release testosterone in male and estrogen in female, released in the bloodstream and reaches part of the body target site, stimulate change in the body at one set of puberty. Reproductive phase of life in humans. In female, the reproductive phase of life being at puberty and generally lasts till the age of approximately 5 to 50 years. One ovum matured and is released by one of the ovaries once in about 20 to 30 days. During this period, the wall of uterus became a thick so as to receive the egg in case it is fertilized and beings to develop. Menstruation. When fertilization does not occur, the released egg and the thickened lining of the uterus along with the blood vessels are shut off. This causes bleeding in women, which is called menstruation. Menstruation occurs once in about 28 to 30 days. Menarche. The first menstrual flow being at puberty is termed as menarche. At 45 to 50 years of age, the menstrual cycle is stopped. That's called menopause. Stoppage of menstruation is termed as menopause. Initially, menstruation cycle can be irregular. It takes some time to become regular. Chromosomes. Inside the fertilized egg or zygote in the instruction for determining the sex of the baby. The instruction is present the thread-like structure called a chromosome. These chromosomes are present inside the nucleus of every cell. All humans have 23 pairs of chromosomes in the nuclei of their cell. Sex chromosome. 2 chromosomes out of 23 pairs of chromosome are sex chromosome. These are named as X and Y. Female have 2 X chromosome. Male they have 1 X and 1 Y chromosome. Chromosome egg and sperm. The gamete egg and sperm have only one set of chromosomes. Example, egg, the unfurled egg always have 1 X chromosome. The sperm, these are of 2 types. One kind has an X chromosome and the other kind has a Y chromosome. Hormones other than sex chromosome. The hormones secreted by the pituitary stimulate testes and ovaries to produce their hormones. The pituitary is attached to the brain. Apart from the pituitary, there are other endocrine glands in the body such as thyroid, pancreas and adrenal. Goiter, the disease of the thyroid gland. In this disease, the thyroid gland is not producing a hormone thyroxine. Diabetes, when pancreas is not reducing the hormones insulin in sufficient quantities, it is known as diabetics. Adrenal glands. The adrenal glands secrete hormones which maintain the correct salt balance in the blood. Adrenal also produce hormone adrenaline. It helps the body to adjust to stress when one is very angry, embarrassed or worried. Growth hormone. Thyroid and adrenal secrete their hormones when they receive order for pituitary through its hormones. Pituitary also secrete growth hormone which is necessary for the normal growth of a person. Metamorphosis. The caterpillar has to pass through the various stages to become an adult moth. The adult frog lay eggs. The eggs grow into the tadpole, which is divided into early, adult, and late tadpole. The late tadpole then grow into the adult frog. The larva into adult through drastic changes is called metamorphosis. Role of hormone in completing the life history of insect and frogs. Metamorphosis in insect is controlled by insect hormones. In a frog, it is controlled by thyroxine, the hormone produced by thyroxide. Thyroxine requires the process of iodine in water. In the water in which the tadpole or growth does not contain sufficient iodine, the tadpole cannot be adults. Productivity health. The physical and mental well-being of an individual is regarded as the individual health. To keep the body health, every human being needs to have a balanced diet. The person must also observe personal hygiene and undertake adequate physical exercise. This is essential for the growth of the body. Nutritional need for the adolescents. Adolescence stage, rapid growth and development. The diet for an adolescent has to be carefully planned. The diet must be balanced diet, iron building blood and iron rich food such as leafy vegetables, jaggery, meat, etc. are good for adolescents. Balanced diet. The meal which include proteins, carbohydrate, fat and vitamins is requires to proportions is known as balanced diet. Roti, dal, milk and vegetables are balanced diet. Fruit also provide nourishment. For in fact, mother milk provide all the nourishment that they need. Points to remember. Cheap and pack or thin snacks through every tasty should never replace regular meals as they do not have adequate nutritional value. Personal hygiene. Everyone should have a bath at least once every day. It is more necessary for the tangers because the increasing the activities of sweat glands sometimes make the body smell. All part of the body should be washed and cleaned every day. If cleanliness are not maintained, there are chances of catching bacterial infection. Physical exercise. Walking and playing in fresh air keeps the body fit and healthy. All young boy and girl should take walk, exercise and play outdoor games. Say no to drug. Adolescence is a period of much activities in the body and the mind, which is the normal part of growing up. So do not feel confused or insecure if anybody suggests that you will get relief if you take some drug. Just say no unless prescribed by the doctor. Drugs are addictive. If you taken them once, you feel like taking them again and again. They harm the body, they ruin health and happiness. HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. AIDS is caused by a dangerous virus, HIV. This virus can cause onto a normal person from an infected person by sharing their syringe used injection drug. It can also be transmitted to an informed from the injected mother through her milk. The virus can also be transmitted through sexual contact with a person infected with HIV.